Okay, welcome to Stars and Planets. Exploring different planets. I finally found a star with some planets. Can filter them. I'm kind of like exploring effectively the local neighborhoods. Here's one that's pretty cool. So, show you the system that I found here. Let's see, so apparently this is a really hot planet. It's right next to the star, and the star is. See, it's a super Terran world. See, I think the stars. See, what is the star? Let's find out. And then there's another one here. So it's interesting though that it's like, yeah, this is pretty interesting. So let's see what the star is. Don't know if that's a red dwarf. See, high proper motion. I guess that means it's moving kind of fast relative to us. See, it's smaller than our sun. See, 0.58 solar masses. That's cool. So, yes, on the low end of the temperature scale, I think. So, yep, that's pretty cool. So, let's go fly to that planet. It's actually pretty cool. Oh man, I pressed the wrong thing. So, let's go back into there. I'm still getting the hang of this here. I think they generate randomly each time, but because it looked different earlier. But the exoplanets, they don't know what they look like. But it is crazy, like how big this star is. So, actually, I guess this is sideways here, so I have to rotate it here and let's get myself rotated right here. Cool to land on top of that mountain range here. Forget how hot it. I'd have to go back and look how hot it was again here. Super Terran means it's bigger than Earth, and this is like a real planet that's out there. That's cool. Other than it's a, I mean, it's a representation basically. We don't even know the color, but we do know the size and how close it is to a star. And wouldn't that just be weird to see a star like that up in the sky there? It's pretty awesome. Okay, so I thought that was pretty cool. Now let's check the data on this again. Let's go ahead and let's see here. So temperature 595 degrees. Yep, that's a little toasty. It's right next to a star. Let's check the other one here. One that's further is probably going to be a little cooler. So it's almost twice as wide as Earth. It's only got 1.165 Earth gravity. That's cool. So, yep, let's go check out the other one. Wouldn't it be interesting if the other one's in the habitable zone? Let's see. See the details on. It looks like it's just barely too hot. Maybe there could be something on the. See, I don't know if it's tidally locked. Let's see if it says like how fast it rotates. Kind of toward the night side. There could possibly be who knows if there could be life there or something. Probably not though. Well, maybe. Who knows? Well, there could still be life there because I think there's bacteria that can live in like boiling water and hot springs and stuff like that. Well, there probably wouldn't be any water at that temperature though, unless it had a thick atmosphere, maybe. So there's probably not life on that. But let's go take a look at it. So yeah, that one's just a little bit on the too hot side still. See what it looks like. It's interesting. And there was a tip on here that said, yeah, planets are just randomly generated. Oh, and I noticed it has, like, sometimes you'll see green stars, but they're not really green. It's just that they don't know what the spectrum is or whatever. And that's what that indicates. See if this one's also super Terran. Or if it's, like, if it's bigger than Earth. Seems like the gravity's maybe slightly less than Earth. Let's see. But I'm kind of jumping down hills here. Yeah, it seems like it's slightly less. Let's see. So that's pretty cool. Found that here. Oh, no, it's slightly more than Earth. Oh, they call it Super Terran too. Oh, yeah, it's 1.8 times Earth size, I guess. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, let's go out and explore and see if we can find anything else out here. Like just kind of randomly poking around here, and I think this stuff's far enough away that we don't know if there's planets around most of it. Like those are just all stars. That one's got two planets. That's what I found and went to. The green ones, we don't know what type of star it is. We do know like what type of stars these are pretty much. So like, let's check this one out. This is a G5 star. By motion, apparently. Like, I guess it's moving fast in relation to us. Might just mean it's close. I'm not like close and high motion. Okay, so let's see where's the. Let's go to the next sector and see if we can find any more planets here. So I started with 5, or -5, -5, -5, and now I'm just kind of going through. What? How is there like nothing in this sector? That's weird. There's like all that, and then there's nothing here. Okay. That makes that easy to search. This one's got a bunch of stuff, but these are actual stars, as far as I know. Let's poke around these, see if there's any planets. Well, sometimes the green ones will have stuff, but it's probably more likely that one that we know what type of star it is will have a planet. Let's poke around a little bit. If we miss some, it's not the end of the world. I think the closer well, actually, are pretty close to, well, not really close, but we're closer to zero we get, the more likely we are to find some planets here. Okay, so let's go there. It almost looks like a binary star system. It might just be two stars that are pretty close to each other. That's a brown dwarf. It's weird how they represent it, though. So let's go see what one looks like. That'd be a cool. Oh, there's a planet. Okay, so after we do that, let's do that. See what we got here. Wait, I thought there's a planet in here. Yeah, 2 stars, 1 planet. Okay, where's the planet? Let's see. Wow, that's a huge. It's 47 Jupiter masses wherever it's at. Let's see if it'll get more information on that. See if we can fly to it. That's one thing that seems to be a pain in the butt on here. Sometimes it seems like we can't fly. Yeah, I mean, it's hard to see the planet, I guess. Oh, there it is. Okay. Would be nice if you could just pick from the menu and go to it. Okay. Oh, this is cool. So star's not really green. They just do that. It says that when we don't know what the spectrum is. Curious if this one will have a core too. I don't know if it does realistically on that, or if it just makes it random. But I'll show you something kind of funny you could do here if it does have one. It's a gas giant. Seems like that much mass would probably be pretty close to a brown dwarf, actually. But this is pretty cool. Let's dive on in here. Wish they had like even faster ships on here. So yep, if you're yep, when you go in, it's like all sorts of gas. It's pretty cool. Let's go toward the. I think that actually be like metallic hydrogen core or something like that, or can't not core, but it's interesting. You can see that there. I think they did that to say you could fly toward the things get more toward liquid as you go inside a gas giant. I think it's like gas just gets so dense it effectively, like when things get under high pressure, can turn into liquid, but it'd be like thousands of degrees down here and stuff. See if it has. So let's enter that area. Yep, there we go. Oh, yep, it does have a core. I can show you something pretty funny here that happens too. Okay, let's try land on it here. So you'd probably really be in metallic hydrogen here, something like that. Just slowly sinking to the core. It might be like rocky core. Okay. Oh man, I could it didn't show it very well. Let's see if I can. Let me do it up a little bit. Anyway, crush basically. It's not showing the animation very well though. Okay. It's not showing the animation well. Oh well. Anyway. So there is a planet there. That's cool. See how it looks in relation to the star. That's cool. It's in a binary system too. Okay, so let's go explore some more. Oh, let's see what the temperatures are on it. Let's see. If that's in the habitable zone, it might actually have moons that could have life, possibly. Let's see, does it say temperature? Let's see. Doesn't seem too interesting. Okay, well, anyway, let's go continue to explore. That's pretty cool, though. Guess that's a binary system there. Okay, well, let's move one more. I guess we're effectively getting a little further this way now. Like, our solar system's at 0, 0, 0 on here. So we're less likely to see planets here just because we can't see them out this far as well, effectively. Or we can't detect them as well. Let's poke around a little bit. Let's move on to the next one here. That one that we had, system that we had in the beginning was pretty interesting. Oops, didn't mean to go to that one. Yeah, single stars, usually halfway more. Wait, is that? Let's see. That's interesting. Let's see what this is. It's brown dwarf. I can show you what a brown dwarf looks like. Oops. Let's see. Supposed to hit that thing. There we go. Let's just fly to it. Oops. And this is all theoretical, so like I don't know if this is actually what it looks like, but it's gonna take a little bit. Oh, can I zoom in? Yeah, okay, I can zoom in without flying the spaceship. And it doesn't let you fly into it. That'd be cool. It does let you fly into the atmosphere, and then it acts like it's a surface, but not sure if that'd be a plasma or gas on the surface. That's interesting. Let's see what temperature it is if it says. See, 3,860 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow. 0.33. Wonder if they can really tell that accurately. This is interesting. They can see a brown dwarf out there. Guessing that's probably with the infrared telescope. Ooh, what do we got here? Let's see. Got a planet here. Let's see what type of planet this is. Something smaller than Jupiter here. Let's see what the temperature is, if it'll tell us. Ooh, that's a heavy one. 61.95. Like, basically, let's call it 62 Jupiter masses. Let's go take a look at what it looks like real quick. I guess that's enough. Same thing. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's fly into that red spot. This is actually pretty cool. Curious if anything happens if you fly into the red spot of a planet or a gas. Like if you did that on Jupiter, is it going to be reddish there in this game anyway? In real life, it would be. It's the stars and planets. By the way, it's an app on the phone. Ooh, looks like it's moving around. That's cool. Okay, let's fly into it and see what happens. I think that's the red spot on Jupiter, anyways, where the winds are going like crazy. Although I think there's high winds everywhere. Let's see. Come to a stop. Yeah, it looks like it's just regular gas. I'd imagine you'd do that too. I guess we could do the thing where we land on it, see if it'll do its little trick here. Yeah, better way. Wow, this one's. Oh, that's right. It is like huge. So it's like more mass, like 60 something Jupiters. So that's probably pretty close to a brown dwarf. So there's the water, I guess metallic hydrogen, and there's the core. Granted, you couldn't see the core from that far away, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I don't know. Actually, I don't know if you can see through metallic hydrogen or not. Okay, let's see what happens here. Yeah, animation. It's kind of cruddy on there. So yeah, usually you can see your whole character. Anyway, maybe it's something to do with being a bigger planet here. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe, and have a good night.